All right, so I wanted to come on here and do a quick review of these Majority desktop speakers. Look how clean and cool these look. So it just needs auxiliary, and it needs a USB for power. And once you hook them up, see these right here. Let's put on something here. Let's hit play. Like, they get really loud. They're nice. As you can see, they don't get all distorted once you start getting loud. So I really do like the sound quality on these. So if you're looking for some good, reliable computer speakers, even if they're not for desktop, I definitely recommend these. They can also go on your laptop or really anything that you can use an auxiliary with. And like I said, I have them here on my computer, and they work really, really awesome for YouTube or just for your day-to-day computer tasks. Definitely a 10 out of 10.